Alright guys, I'm dropping this video to let you know Team Texit Coin is not to be trusted. They continue to snivel behind Robert's butt, and while they always talking about they want to be fair and transparent and they're not really on one side or another, well, this is very revealing. Shout out to my boy Jason here, who just dropped this comment. He said, thank you for going through this with everyone. If you notice, and I had noticed, so thanks for the shout out, they turned off all the comments on that video. So much for transparency. There you go, guys. So I jump over here to this video, this Texit Coin, and you guys ate them up. This really shows the negative sentiment that investors have for Texit Coin. You guys are pissed because you're getting screwed, and comments have been turned off. The last I checked, guys, there were well over 100 comments in this video, yet they have now turned off their comments, thus getting rid of all of the comments that were on display. But the cool part is that I do have some of those comments here. So
don't just go out and check.
What I would say, guys, don't even visit Team Texit Coin's channel anymore. If they are just going to stay with their blinders on and just focus on what Bobby says and show you guys what he says and stick with that narrative, not open the door to what's really going on, well, consider the source of your information. That's why I'm here, guys. Check out my videos. And, you know, because of stuff like this, I might actually do more videos on Texit Coin. And I've already done one this morning, which I'm holding off on. I was going to release it later. But because these clowns want to behave in this manner and kind of block you from giving your input or say so in what Texit Coin is doing, hey, that's what my channel is here for. I'm not going to block your comments. I'm going to let you guys get out your frustrations. I'm going to let you guys complain about what it is I'm saying, right? It really doesn't matter, but I will give you guys that open forum to say whatever it is that you want to say. All right, guys, I just want to drop this video real quick just to let you know that Team Texit Coin is definitely Team Texit Coin. They are not Team Investor. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. We will holla on the next one. Peace out.